Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a PLS donate stand. First, open Roblox Studio and create new game passes. You'll need to set a specific price for each one, as these are the items players will purchase. Once your game passes are ready, launch Roblox and join the PLS donate experience. This is where you'll establish your virtual donation booth and begin your journey to earning Robux. Once you're in the PLS Donate game, find an empty stand and claim it. You can then customize your stand's text to display a message, perhaps explaining why you're seeking donations or just a fun greeting. Your created game passes will automatically appear on your stand, showing their prices. Players can then easily see what's available and choose to support you by purchasing one of your offerings. When a player buys one of your game passes from your stand, you'll receive Robux. Remember that Roblox takes a percentage of every sale, typically around 30%, so you'll get 70% of the listed price. The Robux you earn won't appear instantly. They'll be in a pending state for a few days before being added to your account balance. This process ensures all transactions are properly verified. To maximize your donations, try engaging with other players in the game. A friendly and interactive presence can encourage more people to support you. Consider creating unique or funny game passes that stand out, making players more likely to purchase them. Sometimes, a creative approach can make all the difference. And hey, if you're looking for other great deals, including a way to keep your car smelling fresh, check out the links in the description below for more information and special offers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.